Welcome to my honest and detailed review of Moodpath, a mental health-focused app aimed at helping users understand their emotional well-being through guided self-assessments and daily tracking. The app is tailored for those who want to gain insights into their mental health, whether they're looking for self-help tools or preparing for professional consultation. The first thing you'll notice about Moodpath is its clean and intuitive design. Upon launching the app, you're greeted with an invitation to start a journey of emotional reflection. The main feature is the daily mood assessments, where the app asks you questions about your feelings, thoughts, and behaviors over a period of time. These assessments are designed to provide valuable insights into your mental health patterns and help you recognize trends. Beyond assessments, Moodpath offers a library of mindfulness exercises and psychoeducational content. These resources are accessible from the app's main dashboard and include everything from guided meditations to informational articles about mental health topics. The content is well organized, making it easy to navigate and find tools that match your needs. What sets Moodpath apart is its focus on bridging the gap between self-help and professional support. Once you've completed the mood tracking period, the app generates a comprehensive summary report that you can share with a mental health professional. This report is detailed and offers insights into your emotional trends, helping both you and your therapist identify areas of focus. However, there are a few downsides worth noting. Some users may find the app's premium features expensive, especially given the abundance of free mental health tools available online. While the free version includes basic tracking and content, more advanced features, like expanded educational resources and in-depth progress reports, require a subscription. Additionally, some users might feel the app's assessment questions are repetitive over time, which could impact engagement. Overall, Moodpath is a solid tool for those interested in tracking their emotional health and accessing mental wellness resources. Whether you're just starting to explore your mental health or looking for ways to enhance ongoing therapy, Moodpath has something to offer. If you've used Moodpath or are curious about mental health apps, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more reviews, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future uploads.